How's your day? It's Eco Zam back in the wild. Let's make another video. First I need to find a place to camp and I need to find wood. The weather is so nice. It's April. All the edible plants are grown, ready to harvest. I thought I heard an animal. No. Found myself a good firewood. Dry. Yeah. All right, I got my wood. Let's start making the fire because I'm hungry. And that chicken is gonna take over an hour because I'm gonna slow roast it. I got these two V shaped, so I'm gonna put the stick here and just rotate it. I'm gonna go from here. Look at this. Juicy, marinated. I'm gonna go from here and walk the way. Gotta get the stick in. All right, yes. It's not gonna fall like that, like that. All right, ready. I just have to get this side cooked because how see how it's raw? I mean, still white. It needs to be golden. I'm just gonna leave it like that till the fire is down. Then I'm ready to eat it. All right, my chicken's ready. Let's see. Look at it. Beautiful. Look at it. Nice. I'm gonna rotate it. Cooked all around. Wow. Look at that. Perfect. I'm gonna start from this thigh. Fully cooked. Fully cooked. It's the best. It's the best. Oh, the skin. Look at all the stuffing. See that? It's all the stuffing. All right, it's getting dark. It's almost 8 p.m. I need to start getting some wood. It's getting dark and much quieter and much cooler. It's not hot. I like this weather, but I need to start getting some wood before it gets dark. I got flashlight. started to rain. I had to set up my tent. I couldn't sleep under the rain. I'm just gonna spend the night in the tent. See you in the morning. Still raining, all day. Good morning. It's 9 a.m. I need to start packing up, wash my face, and get out of here. It's cold. Yesterday was 68. Right now it's like 40. I don't have much clothes, so I'm gonna wash my face real quick and head out. Oh, this is a good spot. Yes. Oh, hard to get up. All right. Nice. All right. Time to go. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good life. Bye. Peace out.
Hood up, weather my scar, smoke from a grave, stings in the dark, trash bags like boulders stacked to the sky, broken glass constellations blink as I slide by. I'm walking through